Thanksgiving is a time for family, food, and gratitude, but it's also the leading day for home cooking fires. Welcome to another Wednesday with Wayne. Thanksgiving is next week, so today we are going to discuss simple ways to keep your home holiday safe. Let's start with the turkey. Thaw it in the refrigerator, never on the counter. Allow 24 hours for every 4 to 5 pounds. And if you're short on time, use the cold water method and change the water every 30 minutes. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and know how to use it. If something goes wrong, evacuate and call 911. And don't overload electrical outlets with holiday lights. Sparks can ruin your celebration. Thinking about deep frying? Do it outside and make sure the turkey is completely thawed and dry. Water and hot oil don't mix. And never leave the fryer unattended. Fires can start in seconds. If you're heading out of town, lock all the doors and windows. Set your alarm system and pause mail delivery. A secure home means peace of mind while you're away. We all love the look, feel, and smell of candles, but keep them away from curtains and decorations. Better yet, use flameless LED candles for the same cozy glow without the risk. And from all of us at Wayne Insurance Group, we hope that you and your family have a happy and safe Thanksgiving.